Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we will discuss about how to configure the forms using the HTML code. So here the forms are used whenever we use a search engine, place an order, or for online mailing list, etc. So this form is a HTML element. So in here I have designed this program where I have used this form element, that is this element. So this form element contains and organizes the objects called the form controls. So here these are the form controls like the input, and these are the attributes that are associated with the form control. So here there are two components that are used in the form control here that are used in this form element. That the first one is the HTML form itself, which is the web page user interface, and the second one is the server side processing, which works with the form data and send emails, write to a text file, and update a database, etc. So here this form element is configured with the various attributes, and we will discuss about these attributes. So here you can see that I have made changes in this body section of this program with the form element. So this is the opening tag of this form element, and this one is the closing tag, and in between these I have declared this input element. So we will discuss about this input element later on. So in this we will discuss only about this attribute of this form element. So first of all, let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run, and now click in launch in Chrome. So here you can see it display like this. So here I have given the H1 heading, that is sign up to the Telecom Global. So here it's showing this heading. After that I had configured an email, and here I have made this text box for the email, and after that these two buttons are shown for the submit and for the reset. So here you can see that with this I have added these attributes. So first one attribute is the action attribute, that is used to add the URL or the file names. So here I added the URL path. After that, coming to this target process, this is the target attribute, and here we have discussed about this target attribute. So here I have added the value to its underscore blank. So when we will add here any email address, and after that when we will click over to this sign in, then it will open this particular URL file, and it will open this URL file to the another new tab. After that, the another attribute which I added here is autocomplete. So here its value will be on or off, and here I have set the alignment to be center. The another two attributes we can also add it to it, like ID attribute, which are used to provide the unique identifier for the form, and the name attribute, which is used to give the name to the this particular form, and the another one is the method attribute. Here the method attribute have two values, that is get value and the post value. So these values tells the browser how to send form data to a web server. So here we are discussing about these three action, and here this autocomplete we have set to the on. So let's see how, if I will write here any email address, like here I am writing so this, and I'm clicking out to the sign in. So you can see that here it's submitting the sign in process and opening the new website that is associated with it using this action attribute, and it's opening this website in a new tab due to this target attribute. So coming to back, if you will click over to reset, it will remove this email address from here. So again, if you will write here the another email address like this, so it will not show you any of the autocomplete process. Next to it, if you will write here this autocomplete to off and save it, now refresh it, now again add the, so you can see from here it is not showing any of the autocomplete field as we click over to this email ID. So this is the working of this autocomplete attribute. So this is all about the form element in HTML program. Thank you.